Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss few questions related to JEE Advanced pattern. As I told you earlier that this chapter is completely conceptual as well as practical based. So you need to solve questions related to this. First of all, do practical classes in your school, then and then only you can solve these questions very much easily. Clear friend? So let's start with the topic, that is question answer round. Now my first question is, look at what I'm telling, that is a pale green crystalline metal salt of M dissolves freely in water. Yes, on standing it gives a brown PPT on addition of aqueous NaOH. Look at, as we all know, that is a green crystalline metal. Among them we all know that is iron form a green crystal. Prediction is so easy. On standing it gives a brown PPT. That is, the pale green crystal is definitely, sir, it is FeSO4 into 7H2 green vitriol, and here in Fe is in +2 oxide. Definitely, sir, it is in a +2 oxidation state. Now read the question. On standing it gives a brown PPT. That is, it converts into Fe3+ ion. What does it mean? It means that when treatment with aqueous NaOH, that is NaOH, aqueous in the form, that is OH minus, what will happen? It will give you FeOH whole thrice, that is 3OH minus. Clear? And we all know this is brown PPT. Now read the question. The metal salt solution also gives a black PPT on bubbling H2S in basic medium. That is, definitely it forms when treatment Fe2 plus with H2S, then what will happen? It gives you FeS, and this FeS we all know this one is black PPT. Why I am solving this? I have predicted the answer because it's very simple. That is a pale green crystalline compound. Copper is blue vitriol, we all know, and iron is green vitriol. So it is easy to conclude that the answer. But how to proceed the reaction, how to relate that whether we are correct or wrong, take each and every part of the question and finalize and compare this with the statement, then definitely you will get the answer. Now this is FeS, an aqueous solution of metal salt decolorize the pink color. Permanganate ion, as we all know, I'm moving here, Fe2 plus permanganate ion, that is MnO4 minus. What will happen? It will convert Fe3 plus and MnO4 Fe3 plus Mn2 plus ion. Clear to you? And due to the formation of Mn2 plus ion, that is conversion of Mn in a +7 oxidation state in +2, that is the solution decolorizes. So it satisfies the overall criteria. Clear? Now check it out. It satisfies the overall criteria. So we can easily say for this question D is the correct option. So for question number 1, D is the correct option. Is it clear, friend? I'm going to rub this part and we'll move to the next section, that is the question number 2. Wait for a moment. Now next question, a white sodium salt dissolved readily in water give a solution which is neutral to litmus. Okay, when silver nitrate solution is added to the solution, a white precipitate is obtained which does not dissolve in dilute HNO3. As we know, if AgNO3 is present and if the ion is halide ion, and among halide, if the ion is chloride ion, it will form AgCl, and we people know this forms white PPT. Clear to you? And this when treatment with dilute HNO3, it is not soluble, it forms insoluble product. Clear? insoluble. So we can easily predict for such, that is we do not need to check the other option. This is simple according to the question. You can ask me, sir, how to predict, because if you have command over the theory, then you can easily predict. Such type of question is completely based on your observation, based on your memory. Given here, a white sodium salt dissolves readily in water to give a solution which is neutral to litmus, that is the pH value equivalent to 7. When silver nitrate solution is added to the solution, a white precipitate, then definitely that is the salt is halide ions, that is the anion contains halide, halide, and halide, what will happen, chlorine, that is AgCl, is a white PPT and which does not dissolve in dilute HNO3. So we people can say the anion is nothing but Cl minus ion. Clear? So for this question we all know that is B is the correct option. Clear, friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll move towards the next section. ठीक है, next, the question number 3. A hydrated salt gives golden yellow color in flame test, gives basic gas on treatment with NaOH. Okay, gives yellow precipitate on treatment with NH4 whole twice MOO O4 and HNO3. It gives blue with CO2 plus 1. Given a hydrated salt golden yellow color, as we know any compound which contains sodium, there is a probability to give golden yellow color. Yes sir, golden yellow color. Clear? Na plus ion. Now here the question is which salt? This one also contain Na, this one also contain, this one. All options are correct if I watch only the one segment of the question. Now gives basic gas on treatment with NaOH, that is in this compound there is such a molecule present which gives basic gas. What is basic gas? That is if it contain NH4 plus ion, then and then only it gives you a gas NH3. So now we can easily observe that the product is first Na and the second one is NH4. We do not need to check out the other things. It's very simple for question number 3. Now we can easily assume D is the correct option. Clear? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 4. Look at which of the following anion produce PPT with baryta water. As we all know, that is bisulfite and bicarbonate does form water soluble, that is they does not form PPT. But if I talk about CO3 and SO4 2 minor, they form PPT. With CO3 2 minus they form BaCO3, and with SO4 2 minus it gives BaSO4. In many books it is given that HSO3 also form PPT with baryta water, HCO3 minus also form PPT with baryta water. But my solution, my theory says that bisulfite and bicarbonate does not form PPT. So better option in this case is sulfate and carbonate. Clear what I'm telling? The better is sulfate and carbonate. So the answer of this is a multiple choice question. So the answer of this question, sir, that is B and C. Still, if you have any confusion, as I told you, in many books all options are correct. But for according to my theory, that is B and C has a tendency to form PPT with baryta water. What is baryta water? BaOH whole twice. Clear, friend? So for this question, B and C is the correct option. Clear? Now I'm going to rub this part and move towards the next section. Next question, what will happen? Check it out. Now let's move to the next one. Look at the question. When ammonia is added to green aqueous solution of nickel 2 sulfate, the color of the solution changes to blue violet. Okay, what is ammonia is added? That is definitely a nickel 2 sulfate, that is NiH2O whole 6 SO4. That is nickel is in +2 oxidation state. When ammonia is added, then what will happen? It's simple that this ammonia will replace the water. Due to this reason, the color of the complex changes, and if the color of the complex changes, then what is given here according to the question? The color of the solution changes to blue violet. So what is the product here? That is NiNS3 whole 6 and SO4. NiNS3 whole 6 SO4, and this is caused by the nickel undergoing in change in oxidation state. Find out the oxidation state in this case. Here oxidation state is wait for a moment, oxidation state is +2, and here is also the oxidation state is +2. So in both the cases the oxidation state is +2. So first option is not correct. Now check out the next one. Ammonia molecules replacing water molecules surrounding the nickel. What I'm telling, look at, I'm moving here, ammonia molecules replacing, and check it out here, that is ammonia molecules replacing water molecule. So for this, that is B is the correct option. Change in coordination number of the nickel. Here is coordination number 6, here is coordination number 6. So there is no change in the coordination number. Change in pH value, no. Similar solution, there is no change in pH take place. So what will happen for question number 5? That is B is the correct option. Clear? What I'm telling, for question number 5, B is the correct option. Clear? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question. Wait for a moment. Come to the next section, next question, that is question number 6. A bromide does not interfere with the chromyl chloride test, because when a bromide is present, that is definitely it gives Br2 is liberated, which leaves the NaOH solution colorless, because there is a formation of NaOBr and NaOBr3. So we do not need to check the other option, single option type question, that is for A option, Br2 is liberated, which leaves the NaOH solution colorless. So for question number 6, we can easily predict, we can easily say that A is the correct option. Now let's move to the next question. This is passage type question. Wait for a moment. Now wait friend. Now what to do? Look at, read the question. A crystalline light green salt. Light green salt, that is definitely there is a presence of iron. Okay, and salt heated in air give B, C and D. Okay, look at the questions clearly, think on it, then we'll move towards the next. Clear friend? Check it out. Yes sir. Now let's move. What could be the salt? Look at here, crystalline green salt, that is the salt is A, that is FeSO4 into 7H2O. Right here, wait for a moment, FeSO4 into 7H2O. Yes, when heated strongly in air it forms B. Definitely this is Fe2O3. Yes, clear to you? And when treatment with BSCl, it gives you definitely FeCl3. Yes sir, it's so simple. Now this, and when heated, that is first gives its Fe2O3, second it gives SO2, that is C is SO2, and the third it gives SO3, that is the D is SO3. Clear? Now when SO2 is treated with CaOH whole twice, then it gives you CaSO3. Okay, it is a white PPT. When treated with K2Cr2 green solution due to the formation of Cr3 plus ion. Yes, clear to you? and we treated with K4FeCN6. It gives you, tell me, Fe4FeCN whole 6 thrice. What I am telling? Fe4, that is FeCN whole 6 thrice. Clear to you? This is the main dominant one. Now I have completed the things. Now check out the questions related to this. Look at what happens here. What could be the salt? So the salt is, as I told you earlier, that is FeSO4 into 7H2O. Okay. Now I am going to rub this part. Wait for a moment. Now the next one is, check it out. If aqueous solution of G is treated with K4FeCN6, what would be the color of the product? Come here. Aqueous solution of G, that is the FeCl3, when treated with K4FeCN6, it gives a blue PPT due to the formation of Fe4FeCN whole 6 thrice. So if aqueous solution G is treated with, what would be the color of the compound? So we can easily say the color of the compound is blue. So for question number 2, section 2 here, that is the A is the correct option. Clear, friend? Now I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss and move towards the next section. Wait for a moment. The next one is, if excess of gas C is bubbled through the white precipitate of I. What is I? Look at this one. It excess of CaOH whole thrice. According to the question, read the question again. Excess of gas C, sorry, not CaOH whole thrice. If excess of gas C is bubbled through the white precipitate, that is C is SO2. Clear to you? Definitely a clear solution is obtained. As we all know, do you remember the case of CO2? It gives CaHCO3. So in this case, what will happen? Sir, the product is CaHCO3 whole twice. So C is the correct option. If excess of gas C, that is SO2, is bubbled through white precipitate of I, a clear solution is obtained due to the formation of CaHCO3 CaHSO3 whole twice. Clear? Similar, if we pass CO2 gas, then what will happen? If here is CaCO3, then sir, we all know CaHCO3 whole twice, but here is SO2 and the CaSO3. So the option is C, that is CaHCO3 whole twice. Again, read the question carefully. This is completely theory based. Check out what I have written here. Clear, friend? Now I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question. Wait for a moment. Now question number 8. Look at aqueous solution of salt. Okay. Dilute H2SO4, color of the solution does not change. With treatment with H2S in presence of dilute H2SO4, it forms a green solution and plus turbidity of sulfur. Clear? And NaOH, it gives Y. Now tell me what is the option here? Inorganic salt, that is, it's very simple, yellow PPT, that is the FeCl3. Next one, what is the observation during the formation of Y? Definitely here is Y, that is it forms FeOH whole thrice, and this one is brown PPT. Yes sir, complete the reaction. FeCl3, no color change, definitely no color change take place. Yes sir. Now with dilute H2SO4, green solution plus turbidity of sulfur. Clear to you? Now check out first for question number 1, A is the correct option. Now let's move toward the next one, that is what will happen. So for this question, that is it gives a brown PPT, brown solution due to the formation of FeOH whole twice. Now select the incorrect about the green solution, that is produce orange solution with H2O2, because what will happen, again coming with dilute H2SO4, it converted to Fe2 plus, and this Fe2 plus when treatment with H2O2 in case of O minus, then it again give converted to Fe3 plus ion, and which is orange in color. Clear to you what I'm telling, which is orange in color. Green solution, what will happen due to the formation of FeSO4 into 7H2O, green crystallization. So conversion Fe2 plus ion when treated with H2O2, then what will happen, it produce orange solution with H2O2 OH. So for this question, C is the correct option. Again I am moving here, check out the things once again. FeCl3 no change, Fe2 plus, FeOH whole tri. So B for this, for question number 1, A is the correct option. Yes sir. Then for question number 2, that is B is the correct option. Wait for a moment friend. B is the correct option. Wait. Yeah, that is the B is the correct option. Brown solution, this one is the correct option. Now for C, that is produces orange solution with H2O2 OH. Yes sir. This is the example of redox reaction, this one. So now let's move to the next segment, next question. Now tell me, this is one of the simplest question. I am giving you few seconds, you can easily solve such kind of questions. Now tell me what will happen. List 1, sodium nitroprusside. Tell me what will happen. Sir, sodium nitroprusside test is used to detect sulfide S2 minor. What is the use of tolerance reagent? Sir, this is completely related to organic chemistry, that is CS3CHO. What is Nassler reagent? Sir, Nassler reagent is used to detect NH4 plus. And what is aqueous solution of FeSO4? It is used to detect NO3 minus ion. So now check out for P, third is the correct option. For P, for P, second is the correct option. So this one and this one may be correct. A and B, C and D cannot happen. For Q, tolerance reagent, 3 is the correct option. For R, 4 is the correct option. Okay, for S, 1 is the correct option. So by observing this, we can say for question number 9, A is the correct option. For P, 2, for Q, that is 3, for R, that is 4, and for S, that is 1. Clear friend? Now I am going to wrap this part and we'll discuss the next question. Wait for a moment. The next question is, in this case, that is reagent used to separate one of the things. Now tell me what will happen. That is Pb2 plus and Ag2 plus. As we know, it forms, if I treat it with dilute HCl, then it forms PbCl2 and HCl. Similar with the case of Ba, Zn, Cu, Nn, Al, Fe. So as I told you, if I talk about Al, then what will happen? It forms NaOH, NaAlO2 complete soluble. But if I talk about Fe3 plus, it gives brown PPT. So for this question, which pair? For Q, that is 2. For Q, that is 2. Yes, that is, this option is not correct. For P, that is dilute HCl, PbCl2 and AgCl formation take place. That is the third option, second option. And for Cu2 plus and Ni2 plus, then what will happen? Cu2 plus and Ni2 plus, that is the treatment with H plus and H2S, that is it gives Cus and Nis. Clear to you? And for Ba plus and Zn2 plus, treatment with H2SO4, that is BaSO4 and ZnSO4. So which one? For P, that is, there is a third option. For Q, there is a, for Q, what I told you, that is NH2 option. For Cu2 plus and Ni2 plus, that is H plus and H2S, 4 is the correct option. For Ba2 plus and Zn2 plus, that is dilute H2SO4, 3, 2, 4, 1. What is the option? 3, 2, 4, 4, 1. So for question number 10, that is C is the correct option. So friend, if you have any doubt related to the any solution, then you can easily approach to me. We will discuss on each and every question. So now we revise the things again. What will happen? Check it out. Now this one, for this question, what was the correct option? So for this, that is the D is the correct option. For question number A, D is the correct option, that is iron. Now for question number 2, what will happen? So B is the correct option, Cl minus iron. For question number 3, what is the correct option? That is D, NaNH4 HPO4 into 4H2O. That is, this for question number 4, which of the following ion produce PPT? That is BnC, SO4 2 minus and CO3 2 minus. And for question number 5, what will happen? That is B is the correct option, ammonia molecules replacing water molecule surrounding nickel. Clear to you? I have discussed all the things. Now this is just a revision. Now for question number 6, what was the correct option, friend? So that is A, Br2, which leaves the NaOH solution colorless. For question number 7, this is a passage type question. As I told you earlier, that is the crystalline light green salt is FeSO4 into 7H2O, that is A is the correct option. And in this case, G is treated, that is A is the correct option, blue. And for the third part, that is CaHSO3 whole twice. Now question number 8, what will happen? Aqueous solution of salt, that is FeCl3, no color. And which observation of Y, that is brown PPT FeOH whole thrice, that is B option. Select incorrect, given incorrect about green solution of X, that is produces orange solution with H2. This is the incorrect statement. Here no orange color formation take place. I think unfortunately I have told that it's formation. Incorrect. This one is not formation. That my sense. It gives produce blue PPT definitely. That is, it gives produce PPT with excess NaOH4. It gives produce yellow solution with dilute HNO3. So for this, that is C is the wrong. It react, but the orange color not produce. Clear to you, friend? I think now you can easily solve such kind of question. Here is the conversion of Fe3 plus into Fe2 plus take place. So this is the incorrect statement, C. Clear? I think now you can easily solve such kind of question. So friend, time has come, time to say bye bye. Thank you so much.